Hello and welcome back to the show. I'm Mindy Gibbins-Klein, and today I have another one of our authors here to speak to you, and that's Dr. Greenberg. Hello.
Hi, Mindy.
So tell us about yourself and your wonderful book, please.
I'm Dr. Greenberg. I'm a clinical psychologist and a school psychologist in the United States, and I work for a public school district. And I wrote a book that is called How to Keep Your Child Out of Special Education. Special education is a good service for children who need it, but some children's academic difficulties can be addressed outside of the special ed system, and such children are the focus of my book.
Yeah, excellent. So you've seen a lot of children over the years and parents who want the best for them, obviously. And what would you say compelled you to write the book?
As you say, parents, of course, want the best for their children academically, and if they're starting to struggle, they want them to be able to get back on track as easily as possible, as quickly as possible, and preferably without having to go down the line of special education, which can get complicated. So they'd rather be able to resolve the problem within the regular education classroom. So the book has ideas for addressing different issues, things that parents can do in the home or that they can do actually within school without special ed or in the community to support the children.
Right. Well, this is not just a US or even English speaking issue. It's global, and we've had a Chinese edition done as well. Have you got one there?
Yes, I do. Right here, the book has been translated into Chinese. As you say, these problems can affect children all over the world. So I hope Chinese parents are reading the book and benefiting from it.
Yeah, no, absolutely fantastic. Well, as you and many of the viewers know, our mission is to create books that change lives. And how would you say this book would change someone's life?
It will enable a student to be able to learn skills that he doesn't have, or to be able to get more fluent at skills that he only has at a simple level through the various methods and approaches to obtaining assistance to do better in school.
Yeah. So I think the book is amazing. I think that. And I just wonder if you have any tip for a parent watching us now, someone who has any concern about their child at school.
Yes, few tips. These are timeless, but also timely, because we are currently under the coronavirus pandemic when many schools have closed, at least to some extent, and pretty much every child's education has been interfered with and interrupted to some degree. And parents have to do their own homeschooling and teaching. It's really important to stick to a schedule at home. Go to bed at a proper time, get up at a proper time, get dressed, have official school time, even if it's on screen or on paper. Practice skills, read every day, or have either read to the child if he's very young, or have the child do his own reading. Practice unfamiliar words, make them part of the child's everyday vocabulary. Likewise, practice math skills. An older child can work in the textbook. A younger one can use objects around the house to understand concepts. And certainly help children with their social skills of patience and courtesy, because those will certainly be needed once they get back into school the normal way. But trying to stay on a schedule and keep practicing the skills that are limited so they become more fluent. This is really important.
Well, that is simply fantastic advice. Thank you so much, Anne, and best of luck with the upcoming school year.
Yes, thank you very much.
See you.